my friend, are you looking to make money online and you want to make money from home? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most profitable way and easy way to make money. Print on demand is one of the best way how to make money online. So it's very easy way, and there is some strategies. If you follow it, you're gonna earn a lot of money and start to make up to 6,000-7,000 a month. Very easy, even a week. It depends on you and your design and how you would like to make it. So if you see any value in this video, please like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a popular e-commerce business model known as print on demand. With print on demand, you can create and sell custom products without the need for holding any inventory. In this video, we'll go over the steps to get started with print on demand and how you can make money from it. Please like and share and subscribe. What is print on demand? Print on demand, POD, is a business model where products are only printed and shipped once an order is placed, instead of keeping a large inventory of pre-made products on hand. This means that businesses using the print on demand model do not need to invest in and maintain a large inventory, which can reduce the financial risk associated with traditional manufacturing and retail models. The process works by connecting businesses, or individuals, with a pod provider, who handles the printing and shipping of the products on their behalf. The business, or individual, designs the products and uploads them to the pod platform, where customers can then purchase them. Once an order is placed, the pod provider will print and ship the product to the customer. There are many pod providers available, and they offer a wide range of products including clothes, accessories, home decor, phone cases, and more. Some of the most popular pod providers include Printful, T-Launch, Printify, Redbubble, and more. One of the key benefits of print on demand is that it allows businesses and individuals to create custom products without having to hold any inventory. This can help to minimize the financial risks associated with traditional manufacturing and retail models. Additionally, pod providers typically offer a wide range of products and handle the printing and shipping process, which allows businesses to focus on marketing and promoting their products. Print on demand can be a great option for people who want to start a business with low upfront costs, as well as for artists, photographers, and designers who want to sell their work on various products, and for businesses looking to add custom products to their existing inventory. However, it's important to keep in mind that pod providers can have slightly higher prices than traditional manufacturers, so you need to set the price accordingly, and be aware of the shipping cost, turnaround time, and the quality of the products you're going to offer. How to make money from print on demand. Sell products at a markup. The primary way to make money from print on demand is to sell your products at a markup. The markup is the difference between the cost of the product and the price you sell it for. It's important to do market research to determine the right price for your products. You should also consider the cost of production, shipping, and marketing expenses when determining the price of your products. Use dropshipping. You can also use dropshipping to make money from print on demand. Dropshipping is a fulfillment method where you don't have to hold any inventory. Instead, you simply forward orders to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. This means that you don't have to worry about holding any inventory or shipping products. Utilize social media and influencer marketing. Social media platforms and influencer marketing can be very effective in promoting your products. By using social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook, you can reach a large audience and attract potential customers. Influencer marketing allows you to partner with popular influencers in your niche, who can help promote your products to their audience. Offer discounts and promotions. Offering discounts and promotions can help increase sales and attract new customers. For example, you can offer a discount for first-time customers, or run a promotion during a holiday season. Expand your product line. Expanding your product line can also help increase your revenue. By offering a wide range of products, you can attract a wider audience and increase the chances of customers finding something they like. Utilize email marketing. Email marketing is a great way to keep your customers informed about new products, promotions, and upcoming sales. It's a great way to stay in touch with your customer base and increase repeat sales. By following these tips, you can make money from print on demand. Remember, the key to success with print on demand is to find a profitable niche, create unique designs, and promote your store effectively. With the right approach, print on demand can be a profitable and low-risk business model for anyone looking to start an e-commerce business. Please like and share and subscribe. Print on demand. Choose a niche. The first step to getting started with print on demand is to choose a niche. This could be anything from graphic tees, phone cases, tote bags, and more. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you know there's a market for. This will make it easier for you to create designs and promote your products. It's important to note that it's not necessary to stick to a single niche. You can experiment with different niches and test the waters to see which products are selling well. Find a supplier. After you've chosen your niche, you'll need to find a supplier that offers print-on-demand services. Many platforms such as Printful, T-Launch, Printify, and Redbubble offer print-on-demand services. It's important to find a supplier that offers a wide range of products, high-quality printing, and fast shipping. You should also check for their return policy, customer service, and shipping costs. Create your designs. Once you've found a supplier, you'll need to create your designs. You can create your designs by using graphic design software like Canva or Illustrator. You can also hire a designer to create your designs. Make sure your designs are unique and high quality. It's important to have a variety of designs. This will increase the chances of your customers finding something they like. Set up an online store. Once you have your designs ready, you'll need to set up an online store to sell your products. You can use platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce to set up your store. It's important to choose a platform that is easy to use, has a wide range of features, and integrates with your chosen print-on-demand platform. You should also make sure that the platform you choose is mobile-friendly and offers secure checkout options. Promote your store. The final step is to promote your store and products. You can use social media, influencer marketing, and paid advertising to promote your store and products. It's important to have a well-rounded marketing strategy in place to reach yours. However, it's important to keep in mind that pod providers can have slightly higher prices than traditional manufacturers, so you need to set the price accordingly, and be aware of the shipping cost, turnaround time, and the quality of the products you're going to offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.